Shamata. Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know that how to solve a problem or deal a difficult situation with intelligence. Tenali Ramakrishna was a poet and an advisor to King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara kingdom. He was known for his amazing wit, humor, and extraordinary intelligence. One day, when Tenali Rama and his wife were traveling to Hampi, they stopped by a village at the foot of a hill. As they were entering the village, they noticed that all the villagers were rushing towards the temple. Seeing this, Tenali Rama and his wife were curious to know what the commotion was all about. They followed the villagers and saw a large group of people standing and cheering. Rama and his wife managed to go ahead to get a better view of what was happening. At the center of the gathering was a weightlifter who was 6 foot tall. The crowd cheered as he stood at the center, flexing his huge muscles. To exhibit his muscular power, the bodybuilder lifted a huge gunny bag and placed it on his shoulders. He then started to parade around the crowd, twirling his muscles. Oh my, the weightlifter is really strong. He can carry 500 kg of rice with such ease. An old man remarked, That's nothing, I am capable of carrying 1,000 times more weight, said Tenali Rama in a loud voice. Upon hearing this, the bodybuilder dropped the large bag and gazed at Tenali Rama. Everyone in the group was shocked too. Seized the opportunity, Rama addressed the crowd and said, Yes, what you have heard is true. I can even carry that hill on my shoulders. The villagers were even more surprised now. Meanwhile, the weightlifter came to his senses and laughed out loud. He then said, Is it so? Then why don't you show us what you can do? There was a pin drop silence, and everyone turned towards Tenali Rama, waiting for him to step forward and to do the impossible. Without flinching, Tenali Rama said, I said I could do it, but did I say I would do it now? He then turned towards the weightlifter and asked, How many months of preparation did you need to lift that bag? 3 months, answered the weightlifter. Then I might need at least 6 months to be able to carry the hill on my shoulders. And for that to happen, I need to eat a huge amount of food and also get someone to massage my body daily. The village headman agreed to provide Tenali Rama and his wife a house and all that he had asked for. He also ordered the bodybuilder to massage Tenali Rama's body every day. So, we will all meet here after 6 months to witness your weightlifting feat, announced the village head and dispersed the crowd. From that day onwards, the villagers supplied Tenali Rama with nutritious food containing milk, honey, curd, and ghee, and the weightlifter massaged Tenali Rama's body. The weightlifter would keep asking Tenali Rama whether he would like to practice with a smaller rock before carrying the mountain. Tenali Rama would not answer. Instead, he would ask the weightlifter to bring in some more food. Days went by and finally the day arrived. The villagers gathered at the foot of the hill to witness the mammoth task. Tenali Rama entered and stood at the foot of the hill in a warrior's pose and announced, I am ready, and stood still in that pose. The village chief, who was then losing his patience, said, What are you waiting for? I am waiting for your men to lift the hill and place it on my shoulders, replied Tenali Rama. This made the village head furious and he yelled, What are you talking about? You said. Tenali Rama did not let him complete his sentence and said, I said I will carry this hill on my shoulders. I am ready to carry it once someone places it on my shoulders. But who will lift the hill for you? Asked the village headman, surprised. That's for you to decide, replied Tenali Rama calmly. After a while, the village head came up to Tenali Rama and said, Oh, great man, a man of your intelligence can even carry Mount Kailasha. I salute you for your wit. The villagers too cheered Tenali Rama for his intelligence. With quick thinking and intelligence, one can get out of any situations. Children, intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity or abstraction, logic, understanding, self awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving, and moreover, the adaptation to meet the demands of the environment effectively. Children, a highly intelligent person is one who is flexible in their thinking and can adapt to changes. They think before they speak or act, and they are able to effectively manage their emotions. There is no ceiling to intelligence as people evolve to be intelligent in order to solve problems. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.